If you wanted to learn how to write a YouTube video script with voice typing in Google Docs, then this video is perfect for you. This YouTube video intro you are watching right now was written with voice typing in Google Docs. Let's see how to get it done in 2 simple steps. Step number 1. Open Google Docs. Come to this 9 dot icon. Click on Docs. Select blank document. Step number 2. Enable voice typing. Click on Tools. Select voice typing. Then click to speak. If you want to learn how to write a YouTube video script with voice typing in Google Docs, then this video is perfect for you. This YouTube video intro you are watching right now was written with voice typing in Google Docs. Let's see how to get it done in 2 simple steps. I'm done typing my YouTube intro with voice typing. You can see how fast it is. Then you're going to click on this microphone icon. To stop it, click on this X icon so that you can cancel it. You can make some adjustments to it if you like. You can increase the font size to something like 14. Just type the font size you want, then press enter on your keyboard. So as you can see, the font size has been increased. And you can also use this plus icon to increase the font size. Just click it multiple times until you are satisfied. Also, you can change the font color if you like. So now here I'm going to change the text color just for an illustration sake. You can change it to any color you like, but I'm going to leave it as black. In order to make everything well aligned, all you need to do is to come to this section, then click on align, then come to justify, press it. Let's see how we can make some adjustments to it. Now let's read it so that we can see if there's any corrections to be made. Let's read. If you want to learn how to write a YouTube video script with voice typing in Google Docs, then this video is perfect for you. I'm going to put full stop here. Then I'm going to press enter on my keyboard 2 times to put this one on the next paragraph. So this is another paragraph. I'm going to make this T to be in capital letter. This YouTube video intro format, this one should be removed. This YouTube video intro, I need to add R here. You are watching, then remove this S and change it to T, then C. So now you are watching right now was written with voice typing in Google Docs. Put full stop here, then press the enter button on your keyboard 2 times to put it to the next paragraph. Let's see how to get it done in 2 steps. Format here. I'm done typing my YouTube intro with voice typing. You can see how fast it is. Full stop will be here. Then this intro should be spelled like this. So add R here. As you can see, I'm done with the formatting of my video script intro. So feel free to twist it to your taste based on any video you are creating. Then after you are done, you can basically share it with anybody. For instance, if you have other partner that you want to collaborate with, you can copy this link to share it with them so that they can review how the link will be. Also, you can come to this section, then select file, then you can also share it here. You can share it with others or publish it to web. You can also download it as any document version like Microsoft Word, PDF. You can also print it. If you want to have it in hard copy format, you can print it. Just come to print. You'll be able to see if any printer is connected to your system so that you can print it directly and have the hard copy with you as you currently record your video. Feel free to do anything you like with it. Currently, I'm not going to print it. Just press cancel it. Then I'm done with this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I drop awesome content like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you. See you all in my next video.